Yeah, so today we're just going to be doing Nerf Wars here. Basically Fortnite Nerf Wars. I have no idea if we're going to do that. My bull Andre is here. You're just going to see his body right now. See his body, his body, his body, his body, his body, his body. Well, anyway, let's get started. Andre's going to be in it. And the filmer's unknown, guys. The filmer's unknown. Can I say who you are? Adrian.
Okay.
I only have two.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Adrian's a filmer, so he's not going to be playing. No. Yeah. So this is going to be from my perspective, I guess.
Yeah, and this is going to be from my
This is my gun.
And
Adrian's holding it. Well, guys, let's start. We have our own perspective. You're using that gun, Adrian. I'm using the Raptor Strike. I'm using the Raptor Strike. My jacket's clean.
No, it's better if I use
OcuStrike, I mean.
a third one to like see everyone. Like so, because these two are from your two's perspective. Yeah, see.
Fine, we use some from too.
But do it on YouTube.
No, we're not gonna do that.
I need more bullets. What team do you have? AJ, can I have some of the bullets? I have two.
Okay. Sorry, guys, for the delay. You're just gonna have to be. No. Hey, honey.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing it. Let's go.
Okay, wait. Don't we need these bullets, though? I already got bullet locked and loaded.
Hey, listen, can you open this?
Jeez, Serene. Seriously, don't know how
I
to.
started your video.
Serene, it's already loaded.
No, I need to take this off.
Did you already start the video?
You need to shoot it.
Okay.
Guys, move.
Oh. Do this.
Get the bullet that I shot.
You didn't shoot any.
I didn't? Oh. All right.
There were bullet. Wait, yes, you did.
Did it go over the fence?
Serene, it's already loaded.
Okay, guys.
Whoa, I need bullets. I need 2 bullets. I need 2 bullets.
No, we're not starting with him. You took another bullet. All right.
Sorry, guys, for the delay. I am so sorry, guys.
I'm not filming. No.
I am so sorry, guys, for the delay.
Don't put water in it.
Okay.
He is so sorry for the delay.
It was showing you. Well, okay.
Can I have some of your bullets? No, I only have 2. I need 4 more bullets. And I only have 2.
Give bullets to Andre. Wissam, you're not playing.
I only have 2. No.
Wissam, you're not playing.
No, I don't care.
Okay, Serene, you're fine. Me and you are going to start. Did I shoot you? Where the heck did that bullet go?
I don't know. Oh, it went that way. Wait, I think that it was over. 3.
Okay, guys, sorry for the... Whoa! Okay. Andre? 1 shot. Yes! Got him! Sorry, nerd. I need bullets. He's just dead. Shoot, I should have took my... It's not...
You? Who are you? What is this?
It's not loaded, man! It ain't loaded! Da-da-da-da-da. Don't worry, guys. No campers. No campers. Sorry. Where are you, man? Ooh!
Yes.
Get my bullet. Get my bullet. I just slam you. Oh, I got punched! Slam! Slam!
Ultimate.
Slam! Take this. For your last words. Son of a glove. Escape. Gotta escape the crisis. Oh hell no! Oh no! It's got to escape the crisis. Must escape. Dying. Great. Last thing I want. And your boy is running like a coward. I better follow him. He's still running on the move. He ain't quitting.
Are you filming your face?
I ain't filming no one, boy. No one. You think that hurts? Nothing hurt me. What a bat. Oh, he taking things to the next level. Level 20. Why you taking? Yo, what a mistake. Either. Yo, you better keep running. Yo.
Yes, I can.
Oh, bat level 27. You better break things up. Bully, you bully. Why? Why are you doing this? We didn't do nothing to you, and you doing this. Yo, what an offense. This is too far.
Hey, what's he?
Oh, gun level 30. Dude. Yo, oh, she coming back. Warning. She's out. She's up. She's up and running.
Headshot, you're dead.
Oh,
Yes, it does.
what a fail.
It's a game. Headshot's counting this.
Oh, that's true. I'm right. Goddamn right.
Headshot with a bat. No, you can't use a bat.
Nah. Yo.
Girls, you can't use a bat. Christine, it's not fair you can't use a bat. This is the bat.
He dropped his weapon, and now he's on the move. His weapon is right there. If I missed it.
I'm doing full-on hand mode now.
Oh, level 37.
I don't care if I get shot. I need help.
This is way too far. Weapon 30. Fallen. Covert operations.
Here is the bat.
Oh, bat too far now. Yo, this level 37. I'm going in. Oh, hell no.
I like where this is going. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. The two rookies. Poseidon.
Oh, got to. I'm not dead.
Yo, you didn't get him. Oh, this taken to level 37. What has gone wrong? No one knows. It's a very big mystery. There is still coming. Weapon dropped. A new tackle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have a winner.
And that's the end of this video, guys. We'll be back next time for some more. Uh-oh.
Yeah, maybe. Will we?
At least we still have
Will we?
Okay, no.
Come.
Whoa, yo.